हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन यूट्यूब चैनल योर ओन पाठशाला ज्योतिशाला। तो फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सभी? आशा करती हूँ आप सभी अच्छे ही होंगे और अपनी पढ़ाई जोर शोर से कर रहे होंगे। ऐसे इस वीडियो में मैं लेकर आई हूँ ग्रिफिन्स इंटरनेशनल के स्टैंडर्ड 6 के एसएसटी के फाइनल एग्जाम पोर्शन के कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस जो बुक वर्क मैंने अपने स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प किए थे, तो सोचा क्यों ना अपनी यूट्यूब ऑडियंस के साथ भी शेयर कर लूँ ताकि उनके पढ़ने में मदद हो जाएगी। फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू डू लाइक माई वीडियोज़, प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, एंड येस, इफ़ यू हैव नॉट subscribe to my channel up till now, then do subscribe to my channel and help me know that what kind of videos you would like me to upload it for you. Let's proceed with the video. Okay, so in this video I'll give you the history part of the SST portion of Griffins International Standard 6. Already I have uploaded 2 of my videos of geography and of civics, and in this video I'll be giving you the written content or the exercises of the chapters which are there in the book and have worked out for my students. Then I thought of sharing with my YouTube audience as well. So coming to page number 66, that is the first empire. 66 first empire, and the exercises are in the book work is in page number 72. So I'm reading out the first one, fill in the blanks, which is Chandragupta defeated the Nanda ruler dash and became the first ruler of Mauryan Empire. Chandragupta defeated the Nanda ruler Dhanananda and became the first ruler of the Mauryan Empire. Next one, the literary sources for the Mauryan Empire include the dash and dash. The literary sources for the Mauryan Empire include the Arthashastra and Indica. Next, Chanakya was also known by the name Kautilya and Vishnugupta. Next, Bindusara was succeeded by dash in 273 BCE. Bindusara was succeeded by Ashoka in 273 BCE. Next one, dash were the smallest administrative unit in the Mauryan Empire. Village were the smallest administrative unit in the Mauryan Empire. Coming to the next, match the following. The first one, Kautilya is associated with mentor of Chandragupta. Kautilya was the mentor of Chandragupta. Next, coming to Dhanananda. Dhanananda was overthrown by Chandragupta. Dhanananda was overthrown by Chandragupta. Next one, third one, Pushyamitra Shunga. Pushyamitra Shunga overthrew the last Mauryan emperor. Pushyamitra Shunga overthrew the last Mauryan emperor. The fourth one, Seleucus Nicator. Seleucus Nicator, he married his daughter to Chandragupta. Seleucus Nicator married his daughter to Chandragupta. The fifth one, Bindusara. Bindusara known as Amitrochates or slayer of enemies. Known as Amitrochates or slayer of enemies. This is the match the following. Coming to the true false of the same chapter on the same page, Kautilya was a minister in Emperor Ashoka's court. That is false. Kautilya was a minister in Emperor Ashoka's court is a false statement. Next, in Greek history, Chandragupta Maurya is referred to as Sandrocotus. It is the false statement. Next, Seleucus Nicator's daughter Helena was married to Chandragupta Maurya. It is true. The city administration was looked after by a committee of 30 members. The statement is true. Next, the Kalinga War inspired Ashoka to expand the Mauryan territories. The statement is false. The Kalinga War inspired Ashoka to expand the Mauryan territories. The statement is false. Coming to the next lesson of history, it is Life in Towns and Villages, page 75. Life in Towns and Villages, page 75. Yes, the workout or the exercises are in page number 18. Are in page number 18. Okay, I'll read out the first fill in the blanks. Traders formed dash to regulate trade and safeguard their interest. Traders formed guilds to regulate their trade and safeguard their interest. Next, the second one, Greek literature mentions the 2 Indian ports of Dash and Tamluk that were visited by a Greek sailor. Greek literature mentions the 2 Indian ports of Droni-Mukha and Tamluk that were visited by a Greek sailor. The third one, in North India, the village headman or dash was a big landowner. In North India, the village headman or Gram Bhojika was a big landowner. Next one, Chandragupta's mentor and chief minister Dash once taught at the Takshila University. Chandragupta's mentor and chief minister Chanakya once taught at the Takshila University. Next, Dash means eroding mud in Tamil. That is Arika Medu. Arika Medu means eroding mud in Tamil. These were the fill in the blanks. Coming to the match the following. Dash religious center. That is Mathura was the religious center. Administrative and political unit. Rajagriha was the administrative and political unit. Multifunctional center. That is multifunctional center was Takshila. Takshila was known as the multifunctional center. Next fourth one, market towns. Market towns is Ujjain was the market town. Coastal towns was Arikamedu was the coastal town. Arikamedu was the coastal town. Coming to the next lesson, which is covering the final portion. That is the new empires and kingdoms. Page number 92. Yes, page number 92, this lesson. Page New Empires and Kingdoms. The workout is in page number 98 of the exercises of this chapter. Coming to the fill in the blanks, the first one, the Prayag. The Prayag Prasashti is in the city of Allahabad. The Prayag Prasashti is in the city of Allahabad. Dash revenue was the main source of income for the state. Tax revenue was the main source of income for the state. Next, Harshvardhana was a devotee of Dash and later converted to Dash. So Harshvardhana was a devotee of Shiva and later converted to Buddhism. Next, Samudragupta also performed the Dash Yajna to celebrate his conquest. Samudragupta also performed the Ashwamedh Yajna to celebrate his conquest. Next, Harshvardhana was defeated by the Chalukyan ruler Dash when he tried to cross the Narmada river. Harshvardhana was defeated by the Chalukyan ruler Pulukeshin II when he tried to cross the Narmada river. These were the fill in the blanks. Coming to the match, the following. Samudragupta, the first one, Kaviraj. Samudragupta, Kaviraj. Coming to next one, Sabha. That is the second one is Committee of Brahmanas. Sabha is the committee of the Brahmanas. Coming to Chandragupta 1. Chandragupta 1 is Maharaja Dhiraj. Chandragupta 1 was also called Maharaja Dhiraj. Coming to the Banabhatta, fourth one, that is a court poet of Harshvardhana. Banabhatta was one of the court poet of Harshvardhana. Next, Harshvardhana authored Ratnavali, Priyadarshika and Nagananda. That is Nagananda authored Ratnavali, Priyadarshika and Nagananda was authored by Harshvardhana. Coming to the true false of the same chapter, Samudragupta took the title of Vikramaditya. The statement is true or false? The statement is false. Samudragupta took the title of Vikramaditya. The statement is false. Next one, the Chalukyas and Pallavas were constantly at war with one another. The statement is true or false? The statement is true. Next, the Aihole inscription was composed during the rule of Pulakeshin II. It is true. The statement is true. Chandragupta II defeated the Pallava ruler Vishnugopa. False. Chandragupta II defeated the Pallava ruler Vishnugopa. The statement is false. Next, Bhukti was an administrative unit that was further divided into Vishyas. Bhukti was an administrative unit that was further divided into Vishyas. The statement is true. Okay, coming to the next lesson. Okay, this is the last lesson of the history part of the SST Standard 6 of Defence International. That is, the next lesson is Culture and Science, page 100. The very next lesson. Okay, the workouts of this are, okay, coming to the fill in the blanks. A dash is defined as a way of living followed by a group of people. A culture is defined as a way of life followed by a group of people. Next, the Brahmanas dash were commentaries based on the Vedas. The Brahmanas were commentaries based on the Vedas. Lord Rama was known to be one of the 10 incarnations of Vishnu. Lord Rama was known as one of the 10 incarnations of Dash, that is Vishnu. Next, Tolkapiyam. It is Tolkapiyam was the oldest Tamil text on grammar written by Tholkappiyar. That is, Tholkappiyam was the oldest Tamil text on grammar written by Tholkappiyar. Next, in the temple, the image of or statue of the deity was placed in the dash. In the temple, the image of or statue of the deity was placed in Garbhagriha. Coming to the match of the following, Mani Mekalai. The first one is Satyanar. Mani Mekalai is Satyanar. Ramayan. The second one is Sage Valmiki. Ramayan is Sage Valmiki. Next, Mahabharat is Sage Vedvyas. Next, Kalidasa is Meghadatta. Next, Romka Siddhanta is Varahamihira. Okay, coming to the next, true and false. That is, true and false is Mani Mekalai was authored by Satyanar. Is it true or false? The statement is true. Mani Mekalai was authored by Satyanar. The statement is true. The Bhagavad Gita is mentioned in the Mahabharata. The statement is true or false? The statement is true. A path known as the Pradakshina path was laid around the stupa. The statement is true. A path known as the Pradakshina path was laid around the stupa. The statement is true. Next, Charaka performed cosmetic surgery, especially the surgery of the nose. The statement is true or false? The statement is false. Next, the Gandhara school of art used spotted red sandstone to make sculptures. Is the statement true or false? So the statement is false. So these are the workouts of history. Yes friends, I hope it will be a great help for you, and if you do like it, please like and share with your friends, and yes, of course, best of luck for your forthcoming exams. And yes, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया. Stay tuned, stay connected. See you very soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.